So few days back I opened my account in Niyo Global and I saw that they had partnered with a new bank, DCB bank. Earlier they had partnered with SBM bank, but as you guys know that due to RBI guidelines, the users of that bank were unable to do international transactions using their debit card. So Niyo Global had to partner with another bank to enable their users to do international transactions while they are on their journey in another country. So I ordered this debit card to show you guys how this new debit card looks like, because there are not many videos regarding this new debit card. The main purpose of my opening this account was to show you guys the new look of this debit card. So if you support my work, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. This area I have hidden because here my personal details are mentioned. So let's open this envelope. And while opening this envelope, I will tell you about the charges that this savings account comes with. While opening the account, they will tell you they don't have any charges, but I have looked up into their terms and condition page and there definitely are some charges that you must know. This savings account have no monthly average balance whatsoever, and there is no card issuance or annual fee of this debit card, but there is an average annual balance that you have to maintain in this account. But this average annual balance is not applicable for the first year, but from the second year. After first year, you have to maintain an average annual balance of 5,000 in your account. Otherwise, you will be charged with 500 rupees as a fee for not maintaining that balance. If you are okay with it and you are confident that you can maintain a 5,000 rupee balance in your account, then I will leave the link to open this account in the description. And if you open this account from that link, you can get between 250 to 500 rupees after successfully opening this account. So let me fast forward the opening process. So I have teared open the envelope and I will take out the content first. This is a schedule of benefits and fees of DCB Niyo savings account. You can pause this video and read it all if you want. All the charges of this account are mentioned here. You can pause the video and read it. So the next we get in this envelope is the debit card itself. Here in this envelope we get the debit card. Let me hide the debit card number first so I can show you the debit card. So here it is, the Niyo Global DCB debit card. And trust me guys, it looks so premium. It's the best looking debit card I have ever seen. I have unboxed so many debit cards, but this one feels so premium. And also I haven't noticed a thing that I have never seen in a debit card. In the bottom here, you can see my account number is mentioned, which can be very handy in the time of urgency. If you urgently want to know your account number, you can also see that in the debit card, which is a good thing. Let me take it out from the paper and show you the back view of this debit card. So this is the back look of this debit card, and I have already shown the front view of this debit card. So this is it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you.